Hi, I'm Hanna Brahme. I have a background in engineering and business. I was in several different industries before joining ETH about 2 years ago. At ETH, I support people who want to start their own business based on research from our institution. And next to that, I'm also part of the TEDxZürich organizing team, where I'm responsible for partnerships. We have seen that Switzerland keeps performing at the very top on different international rankings for innovation. I think one of the factors that contribute to that is that we have really strong research institutions and that we have a very good culture of collaborating between academia and industry. We also see that there are a lot of patents coming out of Switzerland. It's ranking in the very top in terms of patents per capita. I come from Sweden, and something that I think is really interesting, next to Switzerland and Sweden, who are performing in the very top, we see countries like Netherlands, Singapore, the other Nordic countries, and they're all really small countries. And so that seems to play a role as well, or seems to help. I'm not sure why, but there's definitely some kind of correlation at least. So I think Switzerland has a really good possibility to keep strengthening themselves in the area of ICT. We have really excellent brains in our research institutions, and we keep educating the next generation of talents. Over the past years, we see acquisition of Swiss ICT startups, a lot of global players that are establishing themselves in Switzerland, and we also see a lot of successful people from the ICT space who come back as either angel investors or who come onto the boards of newly established companies and kind of put their experience to work for the next wave of ICT spin-offs. We see a lot of trends going on right now with machine learning, blockchain technologies, sustainability in all shapes and forms. I think that the next global hot thing will be something where we use tech, but still keep the human and the human experience in the very center. I think it's very interesting in the blockchain to see how we work with the democratic components. And then also I think that social robotics will be a space that will be very interesting to watch in the next years. So I think Switzerland is positioning themselves globally as a very innovative country. And we have been very good in the past to attract both companies and talent from abroad. And this has really contributed to strengthening our ecosystem here and keep the innovative engine going. I think for the future, we need to remain open and to kind of foster these attractive force that we have and really let people come in and contribute to what we're trying to do here. What is needed to be successful globally for countries, I think, is definitely lying in innovation and differentiation, like investing enough into research and innovation, but also how you can build relationship with other countries. Being a positive voice in the world, I think you can get the trust from other countries and from their populations. When it comes to companies, it's needed to become a big player in the world, provide a solution to a human need that scales beyond borders. What impressed me the most about the finalists for the award is that they all bring in very exciting elements, such as a strong passion for the open source community, using machine learning to improve code, which is kind of getting to the core of what machine learning is about. It's code, impact investing, and that is also for me something ideologically driven. I mean, we saw on the Nobel Prize from last year with the nudging, right? We need to align the incentives for the person and for the world so that they are going in the same direction. So I think they're all bringing something ideologically and really revolutionizing to the table.